This lake in Kashmir definitely looks like a picture postcard. No wonder it is known as the supreme gem of all lakes in Kashmir. Hello friends, this is Amrita and welcome to our channel Offbeat and Untold. Today we will take you to another very beautiful lake of Kashmir, the Manaspal Lake. Those new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative videos on places and people. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts and comments below. Manaspal Lake is located only 32 kilometers from Srinagar in the hill town of Safapura in Ganderbal district of Jammu and Kashmir.
आज मेरा प्लान ये आ रहा था, जिस रास्ते से हम जाएंगे ना, हम दूसरे रास्ते से वापस आएंगे। तो सिंगल डे में क्या होगा, श्रीनगर होगा, आपका गांदरबल आ गया, आपका बांडीपुरा आ गया, आपका बारामुल्ला आ गया।
The name Manaspal has been derived from the Mansarovar lake in Tibet. Maybe this is why the lake looks so calm and serene. Manaspal Lake is also said to be the deepest lake in Kashmir. Manaspal Lake is famous for blooming lotuses. During this season in July and August, you will find lotuses blooming along the periphery of the lake. The best way to reach Manaspal Lake is to hire a car from Srinagar. Local transport is a bit tricky in Kashmir. We started from Srinagar in the morning, and as the car left the boundaries of the city, the scenery started changing. We got a first glimpse of Manaspal Lake as we reached the parking area. The water looked blue, and we saw the outline of a mountain peak from a distance. Manaspal Eco Park is located just in front of the lake. You can access the lake from this park. It has a well-maintained garden with gazebos and seating arrangements. Shikara rides can also be taken from here. Unfortunately, the Eco Park was closed when we visited, so we went beyond the park to admire the lake. The lake is surrounded by 3 villages on 3 sides. Isn't it just gorgeous? And look at the snow-covered peaks. This is so beautiful. At Manaspal Lake, you can go for a shikara ride. There's a small island in the middle of the lake where the boat takes you. You can also indulge in water ski between the months of May to August. And the lake is also quite well known to bird watchers of Kashmir. Just near the eastern shores of the lake, you can find the ruins of an ancient temple.
अभी हम मानसपल एरिया में हैं, जो फेमस है मानसपल लेक से और इस एंशंट मंदिर की वजह से। ये एक एंशंट मंदिर है जो AD 900 में बना था ड्यूरिंग द रीन ऑफ उत्पला डायनास्टी। उत्पला डायनास्टी हमारा करकोटा डायनास्टी के बाद आई थी, और उत्पला का डायनास्टी में उस टाइम अवंती वर्मन एक किंग थे जिनके दौरे हुकूमत में ये बना है। और उस डायनास्टी में से एक बहुत ही फेमस मोनार्च है जिसका नाम दिद्दा था, एक फीमेल थी मोनार्च, तो ये उस टाइम का है। और उसी टाइम हमारे अवंतीपुर के जो हमारे रून्स हैं वो बने।
So, would you like to visit Manaspal Lake? Let us know in comments below. Do check out our Kashmir series for more interesting places to visit in Kashmir. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel to get more videos on Kashmir and other places. And do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. Until then, goodbye and see you next week.